Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Shrikant Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with the topic that is factors affecting the renal excretion of the drug. Okay, so in this class we are discussing what are the different factors which will be affecting the renal excretion of the drug. So first factor is the physicochemical properties of the drug. Okay, in this particularly the molecular weight, the hydrophilic or hydrophobic, ionized or unionized, more are important. So if the lesser the molecular weight, that is less than 300 Dalton, so the drug and its metabolites easily excreted in the kidney or renal. Whereas if the molecular weight is 300 to 500 is there, in both, that is kidney as well as the bile will be the excretion of the drug. If it is 500 more than, so then the drug or its metabolite will be excreted through the bile only. So the drugs which are available, if it is hydrophilic nature, so easily excreted from the body. If it is hydrophobic are there, these hydrophobic drugs are reabsorbed in the kidney and finally it will be, when converted into hydrophilic, so it will be excretion. So any unionized drug will not be excreted from our body, hence it has to be converted into ionized, so then only it will be excreted from our body. So फिजिकोकेमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में क्या मालूम हो जाता है, मोलिकुलर वेट, हाइड्रोफिलिक नेचर, आयनोनाइज्ड और आयनोनाइज्ड नेचर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है. जैसे मोलिकुलर वेट कम हो जाता है अप टू 300 तक आराम से ये किडनी थ्रू एक्सक्रीशन हो जाता है. अगर 300 टू 500 डाल्टन रहे तो पार्टिकल साइज, सो वो जो रहता है ना यूरिन और दी बाइल में चले जाता है. अगर 500 से ज़्यादा रहे तो रीनल में एक्सक्रीशन नहीं होता, बाइल से एक ही हो जाता. अगर कौन से भी ड्रग हमारे पास जो भी हाइड्रोफिलिक जब तक नहीं होता, जब तक ड्रग एक्सक्रीशन नहीं होता. और ड्रग जो भी रहता है ना आयोनाइज्ड फॉर्म होना तो एक्सक्रीशन हो जाता है. ओके, सेकेंड फैक्टर इज प्लाज्मा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द ड्रग. So more the concentration of drug in plasma, more will be the excretion, more will be the filtration in the kidney. जितना concentration of the drug in plasma increase हो जाता है उतना filtration भी increase हो जाता और excretion भी increase हो जाता. Third factor, distribution and binding characteristic of the drug. So whatever the drug which will be bind to our body, okay, bind to our body, naturally distribution will be slows down, metabolism is also slows down and excretion also slows down. So the lesser the extent of the protein binding, so more will be the excretion of the drug through the renal. Take an example, tetracycline, which is having the binding property 93% of the binding property, so the less renal excretion. Okay, next comes the tissue binding of the drug. More the binding towards the tissue component, so lesser will be the excretion. Okay, lesser will be the excretion. So lesser the tissue binding, so more will be the excretion of the drug. So example is the tetracycline when bind with the calcium in presence of teeth and bones, so the excretion rate will be reduces. Okay, another example, thiopental sodium, when you are administered it accumulates in the adipose tissue, hence the rate of excretion will be reduced. So finally conclusion is that the lesser the binding, okay, faster the excretion of the drug. मैं समझता हूँ ये क्लास से आपको बहुत ही सरल से फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द रीनल एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ द ड्रग के बारे में बहुत ही आसान से मालूम हुआ. इसका आगे का फैक्टर जो है ना आगे का क्लास में हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.